Let me so love.
Where there is dark,
Let me so faith.
where there's despair, where there is darkness,
Let me so light.
where there is
Sadness, sadness, sadness.
let me sow joy.
Let me sow joy. Oh, divine Master, grant that I may seek to be consoled, as to console, to be understood, as to understand, to be loved, as to love.
For it is in giving that we receive.
It is in giving that we receive.
It is in
Pardoning that we are pardoned. It is in dying, it is in dying that we are born, that we are born to eternal life, bayang magiliw, pero sa silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupil, di ka pa sisil, sa dagat at bundok, sa simula, sa langit mong baga, may dilagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning, ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng ating pagsinta, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
And now, live from the Cuneta Astrodome, prepare to witness a first in the Philippine nursing history. And to grace this event, please welcome the Jackson Tribe!
school at saka hindi pa updated.
Bumagsak ulit ako. 3 times na talaga to. Lagi na lang 74%. Ayoko na!
Fran, bakit ka umiiyak? Ano nangyari sa'yo?
Ayoko na! Ayoko na!
Huwag ka naman ganyan! May pag-asa pa! Hello? Hello? Pakiulit na! Anong libro bang babagay sa students natin? Ano ba yan? Ang daming libro! Parang walang papasa sa standards natin!
Sana may superbook para sa mga estudyante.
Ano ba yung superbook para sa mga estudyante?
The wait is finally over. Dumating na ang sagot sa inyong mga tanong. This will be the last book you'll ever read, not just to pass, but to top the nursing board exam. Introducing the first ever book published by the world's #1 publisher, Mosby Elsevier, under a Filipino nurse author. The first in Philippine nursing history and in the world. Mosby's Essential Concepts of the Philippine Nurse Licensure Exam by Ray A. Gapuz. Please welcome your host, Papa Jack of Love Radio 90.7.